How to make money prompts using ChatGPT. Discover the secret of earning money. Turn simple prompts into profits with ChatGPT. In today's fast-paced digital world, ChatGPT offers endless opportunities to make money by simply mastering the art of prompting. Whether you are looking to create compelling content, automate tasks, or enhance business workflows, well-crafted prompts are the key to unlocking the full potential of these EA tools. By learning how to effectively communicate with ChatGPT, you can offer valuable services like generating marketing copy, answering customer queries, or even writing code. So first of all you have to do is open your web browser and dive into chatgpt.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, we have also here various things that you have to dive in. So firstly, I will use ChatGPT to get ourselves some prompts. So here we have give some prompts that I copy and paste on raw ML to generate a batch of some images. Give me some for images if I'm going to be using the images as t-shirt designs. So as you can see, don't worry, we are not going to be designing any t-shirts. I will show you how. Of course, that ChatGPT is going to provide us with this prompt that we can use as soon as it gives like this information to us. So here are some creative prompts for generating t-shirt designs, as you can see. So you can just right now copy the one you want and then paste it. We have here abstract color, splash. We have also minimalist, nature, sand, retro, also geometrical animals, and we have various things here. But firstly, let me introduce you to another one, which is called Leonardo. I will tell you why I use this one. Leonardo is a free tool. Anybody can use it. You can just create yourself an account like this and you can start creating these images from the prompts. So all I have to do is click over get started and then you write your email address and your password, then you will find your account. So this is the account, how it looks. We have your various things. You can just check it or you can just scroll down and search more. So we have here other things. Let's click over image creation. So as you can see, we have here prompt enhance, preset style, construct, generation mode, and other things. So you have got this credits all right, but they will regenerate because it's always going to be free. But before, all I have to do is come back and just choose one of this one and copy it. Then you paste it here. Then you click over generate here. You can also choose here some things like how many number of images, private mode, also advanced settings. I have here small, large, medium. Also let's choose small, and we have here image dimension. Let's choose 2-3 here, and generation mode also. We have here medium also. You can choose low, high, or other things. Also we have here dynamic. You can choose the one you want. Then you can turn on this one for private mode also, and then you click over generate and you find it. So as you can see, we have got this credits alright, but they will generate because it's always going to be free. As you can see here, I have got 134 of these credits, and they will regenerate every 24 hours. You get around 100 of this each 24 hours, so you can just use them. So here is my tank, here is my gravity, and you can see it looks really nice. Now as you can see the words right, let me tell you right about any kind of image generation tool, it's bad with words. All right, don't try to write something on the screen with EA image generator, right? Just don't, but like this, I can see this a t-shirt design, let me this one as well. I will just change the existing prompt, click on generate one more, and we are going to get a result something like this now. All of this can be t-shirt design. Why am I telling you all of this? Well, the reason is simple. So right now I found numerous shops on Etsy. They have over than 25,000 sales as you can see, and all they do is to sell these designs for t-shirts, for max, for air freshers, for bookmarks, and you can see the price is here. We have various things. You can just click for the one you want here, and you can just see the price here. So if the average is $1, let's say, and they made over than 25,000 sales, you can do the math. That's over than $25,000 for doing this. So one of the most effective ways to earn money using ChatGPT is by mastering the art of prompt engineering and offering your services to businesses and individuals. You can create tailored prompts that help automate tasks like content creation, customer support, and marketing copy generation. Additionally, you can compile pre-made prompt libraries for specific niches such as social media content or email automation and sell them online for passive income. Another lucrative option is to use ChatGPT to generate AI-powered content such as blog posts, product descriptions, or ad copy and offer their services on freelancing platforms or your own websites. By harnessing the power of prompts, you can turn your skills into a profitable business. So, to make money using ChatGPT, draw prompts. Start by understanding the types of prompts that work best for different tasks such as content creation, customer support, or automation. Practice designing clear, specific prompts that guide ChatGPT to produce high-quality results. Once you master this, you can offer your services to businesses, sell prompt packages, or use the prompts yourself to generate content more efficiently. Testing and refining your prompts is key to ensuring consistent, reliable output. Always adapt to the needs of the client or project for maximum effectiveness. So this is how it works of prompting using ChatGPT, also using Leonardo.ea and also Runway, so you can use it also. So this is it for this video guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.